Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic replies for text messages or missed calls on your Android phone. So we'll basically be using a simple free app to set everything up. So the first thing is we need to find an app that can handle the auto replies for us. And there are many great options on the Google Play Store. So here's how to find one. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone and then search for an app called SMS Auto Reply or Autoresponder for Text, which you can see right over here. Now, what you have to look for is when you download the application, simply scroll a little bit and see if it has a good amount of reviews and a high number of downloads. And if it looks promising, simply download that application. Now, once you've downloaded that application, simply click on Open. So now what you would do is first click on the Add Edit button at the very center. And over here, you'll have the options to set your auto reply for whatever message you want. For example, you can give your rule a name at the very top over here. Then type your message right over here in the second column. Then select the channels to reply to. For example, if you want to set an auto reply only for SMS, so toggle only SMS, or if you also want to set auto replies for any text from WhatsApp, you have to choose that. So click on that option and then you have to give it permissions. So simply click on Accept and simply choose Auto Reply over here and enable the option right over here. Now, you might see this type of screen, so don't worry, it's only getting the access for auto replies. All you have to do is check the box at the very bottom left, then click on OK. Now you can go back to the main menu, and over here, the automatic SMS for WhatsApp and SMS is set. Now, you can also set it for many other platforms, which you can see right over here, like Telegram, Instagram, LinkedIn, Discord, and Skype. Even, you can also set a text message for your phone calls, which you can see right over here in the second column. If you click on that, you will have the option to create custom replies for calls. Now, after setting up all of that, the next thing that you have to do is set a personalized list, meaning for whom you actually want this to work. For example, there is a specific contact for whom you want to set this up. So click on this pencil option at the very bottom right, and then click on Add over here. And then if you want to add a group, you can click on Add Group, or if you want to add a contact, choose Add Contact. Then click on OK. Now give it access to your contact list and you'll have all of your contacts over here. Now simply choose the contact that you want to add over here for automatic replies. Then click on Add Contact. Now over here, you have to insert the message that you want. And then simply click on Apply. And as you can see, a personalized list has been set for this particular contact. And you can also create a list where no automatic replies will be sent. If you click on this option at the very bottom, you can do the same thing. But over here, you will have a few more options like a single number or a range of numbers. You can add a singular contact or a group of contacts. It's totally up to you. And then you can also set a timer if you click on Set Timer at the very bottom. So over here, you can set personalized timing for your automatic replies, which you can see right over here. And then if you want to turn off the feature, all you have to do is simply click on the Turn Off button right over here. So that's it. Your Android phone is now set up to automatically reply to texts and calls when you're busy. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.